Hello students, so this particular scrapbook is given to you all from the school. So this scrapbook has two sections. One is the single line part and one is the plain part. Okay, now when we talk about the single line part, what you're supposed to do here is, see, there is a date column here. So whenever you all are doing a project, you have to write the date of the project here and the topic. Suppose it is English expedition, if it is science or social studies or whatsoever, you have to write the topic here. Okay, and the pictures or the drawing or whatever part, you have to stick it on the plain area here. So every page will have this format. See here, it is plain part with single line. Okay, see here, so it goes on. So you have to write your informations into this single line part, and you can draw pictures or maybe you can stick pictures in the plain area. So I hope you people must have understood how to write or how to make your projects in a scrapbook. The scrapbook is given to you all from the school. तो आपको essay 1 के लिए 20 marks है project के लिए. तो that 20 marks you will be getting by using all your subjects project. You have to do it in this scrapbook and submit it to us. Once you do that, okay, there is one more thing which I need to explain is the index page. So whatever date you all do, whatever date you all write to do the project, you have to mention that date here, and then the topic, maybe like science or EVS, whatever project you all are doing, and accordingly you have to mention it here. Marks, grade and signature will be of the teacher, so you need not write anything on this particular section. Okay, at the end of the scrapbook there is a certificate. Once we go through your projects, we'll give you marks and we'll assign you the grades and we'll stamp and give it to you all later. Okay children, so I hope you all must have understood how to use the scrapbook. After seeing the scrapbook, now we'll come to the project part. So you all can see what all project we are supposed to do. Date of submission of the project is 26th of October. Timing is 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Parents should come with the project and the books for correction. Both notebook and textbook you all have to submit it us between this time. 29th of October you all can take back the books, notebooks and textbooks. You all can take it back. This project book will be with us till we grade it. We have to correct it and all. So we will hand overing this project book to you all only when we will be handing over the results. Okay, so this is the date of submission, that is 26 October. I'll repeat it once again. 29th October you will have to come and collect the books. सबमिट करना है बुक्स और प्रोजेक्ट्स. 26 को सिर्फ बुक्स कलेक्ट करने वापस आना है. 29 अक्टूबर, टाइमिंग इज़ 10 AM to 1 PM इज़ द टाइमिंग. कम टू द स्कूल एंड कलेक्ट सबमिट द प्रोजेक्ट्स. कम टू द स्कूल एंड सबमिट द प्रोजेक्ट्स. नाउ विल सी व्हाट ऑल प्रोजेक्ट्स यू ऑल हैव. क्लास 3 स्टूडेंट्स, इंग्लिश एक्सपेडिशन. सो इंग्लिश एक्सपेडिशन जो प्रोजेक्ट है, इसमें आपको क्या करना है? Take the help of the adult to browse an internet for information on Japanese temples. So Japanese के temples के बारे में आपको information निकालनी है ना. You can look into the books and magazines in the library as well if you have, or paste pictures of Japanese temples in your scrapbook. Pasting pictures and all, it should be on the plain area of the scrapbook. जैसे मैंने बताया था, जो भी temples के बारे में आप लिखोगे, maybe 5 lines, 6 lines, so do it in the area where it is single line part. Okay, do it in that area. Now the next project is science. So science, you have to draw and write the names of the internal organs of human body. Also mention their function in one line. You can refer to page 13 in your textbook. Do this project in the scrapbook. So I'll show you in the science textbook how you're going to do this. Now you all can see this. This is page number 13 in your textbook, and this is the image. So what you all are supposed to do is you have to draw this figure in your scrapbook. At the plain area part labeling करो. ये internal organs हैं, और इन internal organs के बारे में you have to write one line. तो draw करना है at the plain area part, और जो single line area है ना, उसमें आपको 1 by 1 इनके नाम लिखकर you have to write one line about it. I'll show you how you're going to do it in the scrapbook for this. Now see, in the scrapbook, if this is the date, you have to mention the date, then the topic is science, and then here you're going to draw it. Better you draw, if you're sticking it, this area is fine, but I think you should take a lighter shaded part like this. So here if you draw it and you label it, and you have to write here one by one. जैसे number 1 you're writing lungs, तो उसके बारे में underline करो, और lungs underline करो, and then write one line about lungs. Leave one line, number 2 margin में number 2 लिख के, then you write the other organs name, underline it, and then you write one line about it. So this is the way you're going to present your project for science in this scrapbook. Okay, so now science is over. Now let's come down to essays. Now for essays you have to refer to page 25 in your textbook. So you have to take a photocopy of the e-ticket. I'll just show you what it is. सो दिस इज़ पेज नंबर 25 इन योर बुक. यहाँ पे ई टिकट है, इसका आपको एक जेरोक्स लेना है, एक फ़ोटो कॉपी लेना है. देन यू कैन कट दिस, प्रॉपरली कट दिस ई टिकट. ये वाइट पार्ट जो दिख रहा है ये ई टिकट है. जो टिकट्स हम इंटरनेट से बुक करते हैं, तो ये ई टिकट को कट करके एट द प्लेन पार्ट ऑफ योर स्क्रैप बुक यू हैव टू स्टिक इट देयर, एंड यू हैव टू आंसर द 5 क्वेश्चन रिटर्न हियर. तो ये आपकी जो सिंगल लाइन पार्ट है ना, उस पर लिखने का. नंबर 1 नेम ऑफ द पैसेंजर. तो ई टिकट में देखो पैसेंजर का नाम क्या है, यू हैव टू राइट दैट. सीट एंड कोच नंबर इसमें से देख के लिखना है. एज ऑफ द पैसेंजर इसमें से देख के लिखना है. पैसेंजर ट्रैवलिंग टू, वेयर इज द पैसेंजर ट्रैवलिंग, कहाँ जा रहा है पैसेंजर. नेम ऑफ द ट्रेन, एवरीथिंग इज गिवन इन दिस ई टिकट. So this is your project of essays which you have to do it in your scrapbook. Now let's come to maths. Maths में what you're supposed to do is attempt progress worksheet from textbook in scrapbook. Solve all problems of progress worksheet on page 16, 28 and 42. So आपके textbooks में एक progress worksheet है इस pages में. तो I'll show you what is it. ये देखिए, this is the progress worksheet. This is page number 16. Okay, there is one progress worksheet in page number 28. Okay, and there is one more progress worksheet which you all can see, the progress worksheet in page number 42. Okay, so what you're supposed to do is आपको ये progress worksheet पूरा आंसर करना है in your scrapbook. So in the scrapbook, how you're going to do this, I'll tell you. Now in the scrapbook you can use the single line area, not this part. Plain ये जो part use मत करो, because when you're writing it with pencil and pen, what happens, pencil से आप जब लिखोगे तो दिखेगा नहीं, ठीक है. When it comes to lighter shaded पार्ट ऐसे, तो आप यूज़ कर सकते हो ये पार्ट लिखने के लिए. बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू दिस पार्ट, ये कुछ पिक्चर स्टिक करना है, एनीथिंग एज सच, यू कैन यूज़ दिस डार्कर paper, you know. Otherwise you can use single line as well as a plain area if it is lighter to solve the maths progress worksheet. So you can use both these places to solve it. So you have to solve how many? 3 progress worksheet. Now after maths we have Hindi. Hindi, stick pictures of freedom fighters in your scrapbook and write their names in Hindi. जो plain area है वहाँ पे आपको freedom fighters के pictures चिपकाने हैं. At least 5 to 6 freedom fighters के आपको फोटोज़ नहीं, स्टिकर्स चिपकाने हैं. आप ड्राइंग में अच्छे हो, you can also draw. We don't mind your drawing, it's good. And you also write the names in Hindi of those freedom fighters. Okay. तो स्वातंत्र्य सेनानी is the heading what you're supposed to give, because as it is in Hindi तो आपको heading भी हिंदी में ही रखना है. तो freedom is स्वातंत्र्य and fighters is सेनानी. तो स्वातंत्र्य सेनानी is a title and you have to write the names of the people whose stickers or photos you all are sticking in your scrapbook. Clear, children? Now let's go for the last topic, that is Marathi subject. You have to write A to Aha in your scrapbook, and of each swar, like A, if you're writing A in the plain area, okay, आप A लिख रहे हो तो अ के नीचे आप अ से रिलेटेड एक स्टिकर चिपकाइए, या आप बना सकते हो. यू कैन ड्रॉ इट और यू कैन paste a photo, sticker, anything from magazines or maybe anyhow you all can do it. And like say anar hai, so you have to stick that anar and you have to write the name. no need to write the name. You have to just stick the pictures. That's it. That's only the part given in the book. So say aha and stick and draw one picture of each swar. So if you're writing it in the plain part, you have to stick the picture, and if you're writing then you have to write stick the picture of the anything which starts from letter A. Okay, that's how you have to do it. Say aha. You have it everything in your textbook, so you all can definitely use the help of textbook and do this project. Okay children, so I think I have finished more or less everything, explaining you all clearly. So 26th October is the submission date, so you will have to start doing it from tomorrow itself. So thank you so much for watching this. Bye, you all, take care.